Welcome back to the 2020 Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market. We were just at Nisley's Cabinetry where they showed us their customized islands and how great they are to prepare a meal on that. And what do you do after you prepare a meal? You share it. So naturally, we're here at Hermie's Table Shop.
Yeah, right here we've got a great table. This really drew my eye. When you first look at it, it looks like a smooth top. What's incredible is they have run this through a special machine where it gives it a hand-hewn feature, and it's a little bit wavy, so it gives a really nice conversation piece.
And I think that is the rough sawn.
Rough sawn, that's what it was,
rough
yeah.
sawn. Mm-hmm.
And what's cool about this is it doesn't have anything that's going to catch, you know, when you go to wipe the table, there's nothing that's a ragged edge or anything like this, but a great conversation piece just because it gives that unique identity to it.
Yeah, and you also have beautiful chairs that go along with it and match it. And the really neat thing about these chairs is I was talking to Freeman, the owner of the table company, and he was telling me that his brother actually makes the chairs. And so his brother Nelson makes the chairs, and he owns the Horseshoe Bend Chair Company, which we'll show you over here. Come on over here and we will show you that right here.
Yeah, so his brother Dennis,
yes,
is that right? Yeah.
Nelson.
Nelson, okay. And I think there's 6 boys in the family and a sister, and 2 of the brothers have partnered up, and they're working together that when one creates a table, the other one will find a chair that matches up with it, and vice versa. So if somebody has a chair that they like and they want to design a table, they do the same thing. So this table here I thought was a great example. They came up with the chair first, beautiful with the 3 different angles on the back with the soft curves on it. And then look what they did here down on the bottom. They created a beautiful dining room table that complements the chairs. And so this is a great part of the stories that we're running into here at the market, is that it's not just the furniture, it's the partnership inside of the community. If you remember Eric from, Heirloom Essentials mentioned that there's 400 plus different manufacturers in the community, so they work together to be able to provide different tables and chairs.
And the really neat thing I think about that is that when you make one thing, you become really specialized and really excellent at that one thing.
Yeah, because they're doing it over and over again.
Exactly. So, and then when you buy from one builder, one manufacturer, then you're going to support so many other companies in the community, and it really raises up the entire community.
Yeah.
It's absolutely incredible. That's great. This is just one story of many stories here at the Ohio Hardwood Furniture Market, and we'll be showing you more about this, more stories later tomorrow. We'll be live again tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern, and we'll share more stories about that. Now next, please stay tuned to join us to hear a message from the Appalachian Hardwood Manufacturers. Thank you and have a good day.